Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. It's a rather large container, but it's a hollow tin box. Designed to capture sand as it's blown out of a nozzle to allow it to be recycled back into the gun. I bought it at Harbor Freight with a 20% off coupon because my tool acquisition is based on opportunity. I know what I want. I just have to be patient. Wait for it to arrive. Okay. Be that way. We'll give you every opportunity. Every opportunity. Because in this case, succeeding is getting the box loaded onto the cart. It's not defeating the cart, defeating the box. It's just getting the two of them joined together. And there we go. Ready to move. This takes me back to the old days. Pulling up to a farmhouse that was 50 feet from the driveway, and they wanted a freezer hauled upstairs for some ungodly reason. And the stairway had a 90-degree turn in it. That was a day that I don't want to remember. There. Done with the hand cart for a while. I'm going to leave it sit here. I'm also in need of a rest and a new battery. Well, I have the forge and the SandBlaster moved up to the garage. I'll go rest a little bit, get a drink of water, cool off, and I'll come out, see if I can't get that big bench out of the blacksmith shop. That'll be a fun one. Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Working by myself, it's better to go slow and get it done than try and rush and hurt myself and make it so I can't finish. Because the goal is to finish, not to just participate. You must win. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.